The carp are coming. Kidding me? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I started reeling in this worm because there was no action and there's a little carp on it. Oh, nice. He's feisty, man. He was jumping. Come on, come on. Got him. Finally. Not going back empty-handed. Got a nice little 4-pounder maybe. We'll see. I just packed up. Put the backpack on. Was getting ready to reel my rods in. Man. Nice hook in the lip. Oh, come on. He's muscular, man. Holy cow. Definitely no monster, but that's a good fish for middle of December. Oh man. All right, we're at 4.0. Gotta subtract the net. Okay, okay. Oh my God, he's muscular. He's strong. There he goes. Feisty as hell. All right, so maybe interesting, maybe nothing, but I think I saw a dead goose floating down the river earlier. And now there's this one here that looks kind of crippled or might have a broken back, or the front of his like chest is all puffed up and he ain't looking good. So I'm hoping this is not indicative of anything, you know, wide scale. Poor guy. Oh, nice. Better, closer, warmer.